buy this apartment. It's as simple. Enjoy the view that could be yours for the rest of your life if you get this beautiful apartment. Look at how spacious, how beautiful, how amazing this apartment looks. The building is Oberoi. The area is Goregaon. Of course, you're going to feel the greenery and fall in love with it. Come, let me show you the apartment. Now, I'm walking right into the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Comes with an attached washroom. Look how spacious it is. It's so well designed. It is so spacious. You can sit here, you can make a bed here, you can do whatever you want to just buy this apartment. It's as simple. Now, let's go to another room. This is the other bedroom. It's a 3 BHK apartment. Now, this bedroom also comes with an attached washroom, and you also get your private balcony to wake up every morning, look at the sun, soak in the sun, have some tea and enjoy. Now, let me tell you the carpet area. The usable carpet area of this apartment is a 1325 square feet carpet, which is huge. And this is the 37th floor. Now, this is another room, which is the third bedroom. Again, see the space, see the light, see the windows. Now, this will be your common washroom. It is also well done. Now, let me come to the point. Before coming to the point, actually have a look at the kitchen. That will be your kitchen. It has plenty of space, plenty of storage. Now, coming to the point, there are amenities in this building such as swimming pool, gym, tennis courts, basketball courts. Actually, come here, we'll have a look at them and do the talking. So, those will be the amenities that you get with this apartment. Now, the time for the asking price. The asking price is only 7.67 CR. So, do not miss this. Just get it for the view and schedule a visit today.